You think you know how your friend feels about you. You might even tell yourself it's just friendship. But sometimes, the way they act around you speaks louder than words. It can be hard to tell if your friend is hiding deeper feelings or if you're just imagining things. After all, you don't want to misinterpret their actions or get your hopes up. But what if they're showing signs of something more? There are subtle yet powerful signs that someone might like you more than just a friend. In this video, we're going to show you what those signs are and how to tell the difference between friendship and something deeper. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss out on these clues you've been overlooking. Welcome to a new video from the Women's Love Wisdom channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more insights into love and relationships, and visit the video link in the description if you want to know how to make him fall for you. Let's get started. Number 1. They make eye contact with you. When you're talking, do they hold eye contact longer than usual? You might notice that they maintain solid eye contact, not just out of politeness, but because they're really listening and focused on you. However, what about when you're not talking? Do they ever catch your eye from across the room and give you that subtle smile, maybe even blush and quickly look away? That's a classic sign someone may like you more than just a friend. It's not just friendly eye contact, it's the deeper connection they're trying to hint at. Number 2. Their compliments are sweet versus flirty. What kind of compliments do they give you? Are they saying things like, "You're a great friend," or is there more to it? Pay attention to the tone and delivery. Is it a playful compliment that feels a little more intense than usual, like, "You look stunning today," instead of "nice outfit"? If they seem a little bashful when they compliment you, it could be their way of expressing feelings beyond friendship. Watch for these little hints. Unless you're just imagining it, they might be trying to tell you something more. Number 3. They don't refer to you as just a friend. When they introduce you to others, do they only call you by name? Or do they mention you as a close friend? This could say a lot about how they see you. If they go out of their way not to label you as just a friend, it could be their way of avoiding the friend zone. Also, listen carefully when they talk about you to others. You can usually hear the affection in their voice. It's not just a passing mention, it's filled with warmth. Number 4. He goes out of his way to see you. If he likes you, he's going to find any excuse to be around you. Whether it's asking you directly to hang out or always finding ways to sidle up to you when you're in a group, he's making an effort to spend time together. He might even start making excuses, like saying he's in your area and casually asking if you want to meet up. If he's doing this, it could be his way of hiding just how much he wants to see you. Is he constantly asking to hang out even when he's busy? That's a clear sign he's interested in more than just a casual friendship. No matter how hectic his schedule is, if he really likes you, he'll make the time. Number 5. He angles his body toward you. Have you noticed how he positions himself when you're talking? If his entire body is turned toward you, it's a strong sign he's fully engaged and open to what you have to say. It's not just about eye contact. His body is a huge indicator. He might lean in a little closer, tilt his head, or even adopt a relaxed posture while interacting with you. These are all signals he feels comfortable around you and is genuinely interested in the conversation. But here's the real giveaway. Pay attention to when you're not even talking. Next time he's chatting with someone else across the room, take a sneaky glance. Are his chest and feet still facing you, even when he's not interacting directly with you? If he's subconsciously positioning himself like that, It could be a clear sign he's attracted to you, even when you're not the focus of his attention. Number 6. Other people say he likes you. Sometimes the easiest way to find out how he feels is by asking the people around him, especially his friends. Of course, you'll want to be careful if you don't want him to find out you're secretly crushing on him. But his friends might know for sure whether he's got feelings for you. They're likely in the loop, especially if he's been acting differently around you. If you're feeling brave, ask his friends if he's seeing anyone, or if he's got a special someone in mind. Be selective though. Pick a friend you really trust, because if you're not careful, they might spill the beans to him right away. Another sneaky move? Have one of your own friends casually ask him if he's interested in anyone. They don't have to be direct. Your friend could pretend they're trying to set him up with someone else, just to get him to open up about his feelings without realizing what's going on. Number 7. They treat you differently than other friends. Does he pay special attention to you, especially when you're in a group? He might tease you, hug you more often, or make sure you're included in everything, while he might not be as attentive to others. If you stand out in the crowd, that's a huge indicator he sees you as more than a friend. But keep an eye out. If he's doing this with everyone, it could just be his natural charm. But if you're the only one getting that extra attention, he likely has romantic feelings for you. Number 8. Their body language screams interest. Body language can say so much more than words. They might make subtle gestures, like fixing your hair or adjusting your clothes, to get your attention. Women tend to smile more, play with their hair, or lean in closer, while men may try to take up more space to appear more noticeable. Watch for these signs. They might not be just friendly gestures. Consistent attention to your little details could mean they're feeling something deeper. Here's the conclusion rewritten in the same style and tone as your shared script. Conclusion. Sometimes it's hard to tell if someone likes you as more than just a friend, but paying attention to their actions and subtle signs can give you some important clues. From the way they look at you, to how they make time for you, or even how their friends act around you, these small gestures can speak volumes about their true feelings. However, remember that everyone expresses their emotions differently, and it's important not to jump to conclusions too quickly. If you're still unsure, don't be afraid to communicate and ask for clarity. At the end of the day, understanding someone's intentions can save you both from unnecessary confusion and help you build a stronger connection, whether it's as friends or something more.